guys using protection.
Come to my
Yeah. Hey, yazi
Sorry.
ngicela ham.
Yeah, I don't like this thing of you talking out.
If you want, you can.
People don't know. Please come
No, ungaseze yabona
to my place.
mamela okwami nawe kuphelile manje ne.
Yo, bro.
Qhubeka nalowo mandisa wakho wayelo bona ngisakufuni mina.
When did it come to my place, man?
Angifuni.
Mandisa, I will come to your place and it won't end well.
No, ungezi. Angifuni ukuze
If I come to you.
ngiyenza izinto zama protection order manje nxa yakho.
Please come to my place so I avoid that. Don't
So
come to
it's two of you now. This
Please
time,
come to my place.
are you
Hayi akunasithembo I'm out. Uzoqhubeka nomandisa wakhe.
Hey, Mandisa, you're out. So how?
Into engicelayo nje ukuthi ungezi kwami.
I will come.
No,
I don't want
ungezi.
you to come.
Imali yami because ngiyayifuna i200 yami. Uzoyifaka uzobona uwenza cash send or uyayideposit or wenzani. Ngiyayifuna yona imali yami but ungezi kwami wena.
If you want your money, you come to my place.
I need to ask you a question. I don't want you to leave now. I want to ask you questions. Bye bye. Should I hang up on him?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, you and him is over.
Yeah. It's over.
Are you gonna be in any new relationship? Are you seeing someone already on the side?
No. I'm not seeing anyone.
You're not. You were loyal to this guy.
I was.
But I asked you about using protection, but you didn't respond to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are using it.
Yes.
Okay. Because now he's busy with with other man.
Thank goodness ukuthi ke besiyisebenzisa.
Okay. So,
Because who knows ngabe sengiphethwe izifo zakamandisa manje.
any advice about Njolo to people who are watching?
Hey, abantu babukele. Jolani ne. Nisebenza protection. If niyatofa guys. Nisebenza protection and then ungamphi umfana imali, ungamniki umfana imali noma sethi uphethwe ikhanda ungamthengeli grandpa, ungamthenge umyeke afe mayifa.
Don't leave. How?
Okay.
I want to ask. So, okay, obviously you are singing, right?
Yeah.
Are you looking?
No, ngina 2 minutes ngisingle sengiya
Yeah, but you agree you are single, so you know what you want. You know if you want someone now.
No, ukwamanje
So
ngi right.
Okwamanje you're right. Okay. And mina also I need an advice as a guy.
Okay.
Give me an advice as a gent.
There's a gent.
Yeah.
Ungacheat nje mongasamfuni umyeke.
Serious?
Yeah, ngambhani.
Okay. Give this guy advice also.